Let's go through boxes 59 and 60 in nickels.
Over a cud, over a...
Oh, sweet!
Yeah, this year, so we flip it over like that.
The Benjamin!
N.A. Ono silver quarter from 19...
Hello everyone and welcome to New Ms. Nate. I'll be hunting boxes 59 and 60 in nickels on the year. And I almost forgot to get out the nickel album, which we're still missing the same 11 coins that we've been missing. Hopefully today we can fill one of those spots. Let's do it. Roll 1, and our first find isn't a Jefferson. It is a foreign coin. It is a British 20 pence from 2007. Roll 2, and this box just keeps giving. We have a 1938 Jefferson here from Philadelphia. Roll 3, we're getting a find every roll. Here is a 1958 Jefferson from Denver. Like, we're getting some every roll. Roll 5, and the ender coin was a 1957 Jefferson from Philly. Roll 8, and we have a 1940 Jefferson from Philadelphia. Roll 14, and we have a 1954 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 15, and we have a 1953 Jefferson from Philadelphia. Roll 16, and we have a 1954 Jefferson once again from San Francisco. Nice! Roll 19, and we have a 1940 Jefferson from Philadelphia. Roll 22, and we have a 1947 Jefferson from Philly. Roll 33, and we have a 1955 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 34, and we have a 1948 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 38, and we have a 1959 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 42, and we have a 1957 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 45, and we have a 1954 Jefferson from Philadelphia. Roll 48, and we have a 1947 Jefferson from Philly. Last roll of the box, and we have a 1953 Jefferson from Denver. Alright, box 59 is done. We got a foreign and a 38 very early on in the box. We got Jeffersons like a 48 Denver, a 57 Philly, a 53 Philly, a 54 Philly, and a 54S. And then these are our commons. I'll bring you guys in on our first find in box 60. Roll 6, one roll away from that Buffalo Ender, we have a 1939 Jefferson from Philadelphia. Roll 7, and that was the Buffalo Nickel Ender. It is a 1936 Buffalo from Philadelphia. Roll 8, and we have a 1958 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 9, and we have yet another 1958 Jefferson. This one is also from Denver. Roll 11, we have two finds. The one in the front is an S minted nickel, and then we have a 1941 2 coins back. The San Francisco Mint is a 1954, and then 2 coins back we have a 1941 Jefferson from Philly. Roll 13, and we have a 1958 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 15, and we have a 1952 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 21, and we have a 1958 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 23, we've got two finds. First, a 1954 Jefferson from Denver, and then 1 coin back, a 1941 Jefferson from Philly. Halfway done with the box, and we have a 1947 Jefferson from San Francisco. Roll 30, and the ender was a 1956 Jefferson from Denver. Rule 31, and we have a San Francisco minted Jefferson from 1953. Rule 33, we have 2 finds. First, a 1948 Jefferson from Denver, and then a few coins behind that, a pretty crusty 1952 from Philly. Rule 35, we have 2 finds. First, a 1954 Jefferson from Denver, and then a bit back there, we have a 1952 Jefferson from Philly. Rule 36, and we have a 1958 Jefferson from Denver. Rule 40 gives us a 1940 from Philadelphia. Rule 43, and we have a 1940 Jefferson from Philly. Rule 45 has 2 finds. First, a 1958 Jefferson from Denver, and then a few coins back, the ender was a 1942. Will it have a Denver on the back? Nope, no Denver. Rule 46, and we have a 1946 from Philly. Rule 48, we don't have a Jefferson, we have a Buffalo. We have a Buffalo. It is a Philadelphia on a 1920, no Nicodate. Wow, what a coin. This is a nice one. Alright, box 60's done. I'd say it was a lot better than last box. We got all these commons. These uncommons here are going from right to left, 52 Denver. Actually, no, I think that's a 52S. Is that a 52S? Let's see. I'm trying to remember. Yeah, it's 52 Denver. 54S, 42 with no mint mark, and then a 48 Denver. And then up here we have a 47S and I think a 53S. And then we've got the 2 Buffaloes, 1920, 1936, and then the 1939 Jefferson. I'll bring you in with the full wrap-up. Alright, here's the full wrap-up. Those are top 5 best finds. 39 Buffalo, foreign Buffalo, and 38, even though it actually says 39. I completely messed those up. We got these 2 right here. We got a 47S and the 53S. We got all these uncommons, and then we got all these commons. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.